welcome back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an easy appetizer with meatballs, grape jelly, and chili sauce. So come on and join me. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will only need 3 ingredients: 1 to 2 bags of frozen cocktail meatballs, grape jelly, and chili sauce. We're just going to dump our bag of frozen meatballs right into our inner pot, and then add 1 cup of water right on top. And then next, our chili sauce. And just like with ketchup, if you tap the side of the bottle, it will come right out. And now we're going to add our grape jelly. You can also substitute the grape jelly with a can of cranberry sauce if you want to change it up. Then we're just going to add that jelly or cranberry sauce right on top of the chili sauce and the meatballs. This truly is a dump and go recipe, so you don't even need to stir. Place the lid on, twist to lock, make sure your valve is set to sealing, press the steam button, adjust the time to 5 minutes, and then press start. And once the timer goes off, do an immediate release. Remove the lid, stir until well combined, and you have the perfect party appetizer. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please go give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss an episode. See you right back here next time on Crock-Pot Empire.